Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great and keeping well on health. So today I'm going to chit chat with someone whose story is really inspiring. His story teaches us how to believe in the beauty of our dreams and teaches us that dreams come true. I'm talking about Yuvraj Valmiki. So hi Yuvraj, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing good. How are you? Thanks for the great introduction.
I'm good. So one thing, you are at home after ages, after so many years, because you always kept playing tournaments out of India and different
Yeah.
states. So how does it feel now?
I mean, honestly, I'll say that I'm having the best time of my life, I will say. In a way that, it's been 20 years I've been started playing hockey, or
Yeah,
11 years, I think I will say professional hockey, where I was always traveling,
yeah.
Mumbai se bahar, ya India se bahar. But then I think this time, मुझे इतना time मिला that I would, I could spend time with my family.
Okay. So
Yeah.
no doubt, you don't need any introduction when it comes to hockey. That's true. But how did it all started? As far as I know, you just wanted to get yourself your picture in a newspaper.
Yeah, I mean, see, honestly, it was never planned. कभी सोचा नहीं था क्या that I want to play और hockey खेलने का मतलब obviously I was tiny puny boy, 10 years old, studying in sixth standard. So
Yeah.
it was in the year 1999, basically. So me and my classmate Boone D'Souza, he was the monitor of the class. So his
Uh-huh.
dad used to work in hockey stadium as a doctor. तो
Okay.
वहाँ पर वो डॉक्टर के काम करते थे and he was like born and brought up there itself. तो वन फाइन डे वी वर रिहर्सिंग फॉर दिस सॉन्ग. हम लोग एक एनुअल डे पे डांस कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट किए थे एंड दैट वाज दिस वेरी फेमस सॉन्ग आई एम अ बाबी गर्ल इन माय बाबी वर्ल्ड. सो वो
Uh-huh.
गाने पे हमको डांस करना था. तो एक रिहर्सल के टाइम पे एक दिन उसने उस टाइम एक पेपर हुआ करता था मुंबई में, फ्री प्रेस जर्नल. और
Uh-huh.
उसका इतना छोटा पासपोर्ट साइज फोटो आया था एंड ही केम अप टू मी एंड ही सेड माय पिक्चर इज कम इन द न्यूज़पेपर. सो एक्चुअली फ्रॉम दैट डे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि इवन आई वांट टू सी माय पिक्चर इन द न्यूज़पेपर. और इतने कैजुअली मैंने उसको बोला था कि यार मेरे को हॉकी खेलना है, मुझे भी मेरा फोटो देखना है पेपर में. सो आई थिंक द ओनली रीजन आई वांटेड टू प्ले हॉकी वाज टू सी माय पिक्चर इन द न्यूज़पेपर. बट इनिशियली कैसा था कि आई विल गेट टाइम टू स्किप माय क्लासेस
Yeah.
बिकॉज वो बोरिंग हिस्ट्री क्लास, मैथमेटिक्स क्लास, साइंस क्लास, आई मीन वी ऑल गो थ्रू दैट. तो ये सोचते थे कि 45 मिनट्स प्रैक्टिस करने मिल जाएगा ग्राउंड में, हम जा सकेंगे, तो ये क्लासेस बंक हो जाएगी. But then I think slowly, gradually, hockey became a passion, and today I will say hockey is like a bread butter.
And your love towards your jersey can be seen every time.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. So uh, you had a very different kind of struggle as well, be it your family background, your financial condition. So हम जिस सोसाइटी में रहते हैं जनरली भी एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली तक में, हायर मिडिल क्लास में भी ऐसा होता है कि अगर ठीक नहीं है तो पेरेंट्स इतना सपोर्ट नहीं करते, बोलते हैं जस्ट ओके ये सब खेलने वेलने की इतनी जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि कोई गारंटी नहीं होती है, सो जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर स्टडी एंड गेट अ स्टडी जॉब.
Yeah.
आपके साथ कुछ ऐसा था कि नहीं फैमिली
I
का था?
think मेरे साथ हमेशा से ये रहा है कि I think the biggest support which I got is from my parents, and not only me. I mean we are four brothers and
Yeah.
सभी भाइयों को अपना खुद की लाइफ सिलेक्ट करने का मौका मिला कि which direction or which verticals we want to go in our life. There was no restrictions, nothing ever. Because you're right कि ऐसे कंडीशन में जब आप बड़े होते हो तो सबके पेरेंट्स यही सोचते हैं कि जैसे हमारी कंडीशन थी कि 40 years staying without electricity, no water connection, not even a toilet. So coming from slum and reaching somewhere, it takes I think a huge effort. But then that moment, मतलब मैं आज भी मेरे खुद के मैं जब जूनियर्स को देखता हूँ हॉकी ग्राउंड में या कोई भी अच्छे प्लेयर्स को देखता हूँ तो उनके माँ बाप के मतलब माइंड में ये रहता है कि बच्चों को 10वीं तक पढ़ाते हैं, बाद में प्यून का जॉब कर लेंगे और घर संभालेंगे. But then for my side it was only one thing कि do whatever you want to do. बट मेरे को अभी भी याद है द डे व्हेन जब बून मेरा फ्रेंड ने जब मुझे पेपर में फोटो दिखाया था व्हेन आई वाज कमिंग बैक होम. मैं जब घर पे आया मम्मी को बोला था मम्मी इवन आई वांट टू प्ले हॉकी. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर अ वर्ड शी टोल्ड मी दैट इफ यू रियली वांट टू प्ले please do it, but make sure that you play thinking that you will do something big in this game, not because you want to waste your time, my time and your coach's time. So that was her word. But then obviously 10 years old इतना तो maturity थी नहीं, तो हम तो सिर्फ टाइम पास के लिए खेलते थे. But then वो एक चीज आई थिंक 15 years में आ गई थी within 5 years that no matter whatever said and done, I want to wear that India jersey. I want to have that tricolor on my chest. I want to represent our country. I think वो motivation आ गया था.
No doubt.
Yeah.
Okay, so you started playing just for like, okay, to get the picture in the newspaper or to bunk those boring classes. So when did that moment came that, okay, now I want to take it like very seriously as a profession? वो कब आया था?
I think 15 years में आ गया था, 5 साल में ही. और
Okay.
हाँ, because मैं पहले 1999 में जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, 2002 2003 में मुझे ऑलरेडी जो हमारे कोच थे मिस्टर मजबान पटेल, माय फर्स्ट कोच भावा सर, उन्होंने ऑलरेडी मुझे सिखा दिया था कि मतलब वही मुझे सिखा देते. तो उनका एक खुद का क्लब हुआ करता था, बॉम्बे रिपब्लिकन्स. तो मैं वो क्लब से खेलने लग गया, which I was doing very well. मैं हमेशा गोल बहुत मारता था, कहीं पे भी जगह बना के गोल बहुत मारता था. तो 15 years के उम्र में मतलब एक बैंक ऑफ इंडिया करके टीम थी, so they gave me a stipend. मुझे तो स्कॉलरशिप मिलती थी, and at the age of 15 I used to get 3,500 in 2005.
Okay.
So I think and I still remember that जो first check था जब मैं घर पे लाके दिया था, I think the tear of joy which my parents had, I think that moment I will say, which will always be by my side till my last breath, that one moment I thought, I can do something. Oh,
Yeah.
my future looks good. That at the age of 15 I'm earning 3,500, which is a huge thing, and that too in 2005. And 3,500 मतलब उस टाइम बहुत बड़ी बात थी. It was like 15,000 rupees. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि I'm doing good. और वहां से जो मेरी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई, then 2007 I joined Air India and I got contracted with Air India. और सोचो 2007 में at the age of 17 I used to get 10,000 rupees as a salary, and ऊपर से आपको सब flights free, आपको सब facilities free, and then ऐसे करते पैसे भी आते रहे. Things started changing, life got better. That at least वो हम जब वो स्लम में भी रहते थे तो वो 3,500 से कभी कभी एक चटाई आ गई, कभी ये आ गया, कभी वो आ गया. सो आई थिंक वो घर के मामले में भी ठीक हो रहे थे, और पर्सनली भी और प्रोफेशनली वाइज भी थिंग्स वर गेटिंग बेटर इन टर्म्स ऑफ मॉनेटरी आल्सो.
Okay, so I've heard this that I've personally never played hockey, which is off. I'm really ashamed of that. It's our
No,
national.
that's fine. That's fine.
No, actually, because in our country, it's always been a cricket-driven country.
100%,
It's become a
100%.
religion,
Yeah.
and which cannot be changed. I guess हम कितने भी efforts लगा लें, वो एक बस
हाँ,
है लोगों के अंदर. तो वही
exactly.
था कि बचपन से वही क्रिकेट खेल लिया, ठीक है. I was really good at chess, TD खेल लिया ये वो. I've never played hockey, but I've heard this that hockey is itself a very tough sport. वो एक आपको स्टिक पकड़ने में भी महीने लग जाते हैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. I think it's one of the most difficult sport. Technically, I will say.
Yeah.
Technically, it's a difficult sport, and it's people think it's very easy to play, but I think the amount of fitness level you need in hockey, it's way ahead with other games, I will say.
Earlier it was 70 minutes, no?
Earlier it was 70 minutes, which was like 35 into two halves.
Yeah.
But now it's come to 60 minutes, which is 15 into 4. So 15 into 4 quarters. So I think it's the most difficult game, and you're right. Sometimes people take like 3 months to even hold a proper hockey stick.
Yes.
And to dribble, it takes like 6 months. It depends, on individual as well. But I think as an average, I will sound too, self-boosting about myself. But I think it didn't even take me 1 month to learn dribbling.
My goodness.
I don't know. I mean, I sometimes feel that, there's a lot of people, you must have seen my social media and in person also, people come and tell me that, I'm a born talented player, I'm a born goal scorer, I'm a goal machine, or, whatsoever. But I never consider it, because I think no one is born talented. I think the amount of hard work which you put in, that and especially in a team game, मेरा ये बहुत strong belief है कि आप जब एक टीम में 18 लोग रहते हैं, तो अगर आप कोच जब 18 को भगाएगा तो 18 के 18 भागते हैं. पर उसके अलावा जब आप जो इंडिविजुअल मेहनत करते हो ना, दैट विल बी द स्टैंड आउट अमंग्स द टॉप 18. और मैं अपने मरीन ड्राइव से मतलब रास्ते पर ड्रिबल करके जाता था, ऐसे मतलब रास्ते पे, रोड पे, और ऐसे मतलब यहाँ से चर्च गेट, मतलब इट्स लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 1 किलोमीटर रूल से ज्यादा दूर नहीं है. तो चर्च गेट जाता था, वहां पर मैं पूरे ग्राउंड पे प्रॉपर 3 o'clock से लेके फिर मैं 8 बजे ग्राउंड खाली करता था।
My goodness.
मैं मतलब ऐसे ही पागलों की तरह खेलते रहता था। तो आई थिंक द अमाउंट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क व्हिच आई हैव पुट, आई थिंक दैट हैज टू बी द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ माय करियर, बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज से दैट यू नो हार्ड वर्क नेवर फेल्स। ऐसे लोग हमेशा से, आप कहीं पर भी चले जाओगे, वेदर इट्स अ कॉलेज फेस्ट, स्कूल फेस्ट, कुछ
Yeah.
भी रहने दो, सबसे पहले लोग हार्ड वर्क का ही बात करते हैं। बट आई थिंक
Uh,
I have done it, so I know how what it takes to be there. And
yeah.
you know, despite all the circumstances which I had back in the house, but whenever I stepped onto the hockey field, I never thought कि मेरे घर पे क्या चल रहा है, खाना है कि नहीं है, कि वापस जाके कुछ मिलेगा। But I think मैंने बहुत मेहनत किया है उसके लिए, and I'm a guy who loves exploring things.
Yeah.
And of course, hockey will
And that's how
always be
you
my
landed
first.
up in Khatro Ke Khiladi.
Exactly, and I think obviously hockey will always remain my first and last love.
Yeah.
But then, even if given a choice, someone takes away this and someone tells me to play cricket, I think I can still play. Okay. So I think I am open for exploring things. But as you know, say once you reach somewhere, that I was born to play hockey. Let's put it that way. So probably I was born to play hockey, इसलिए मैं hockey खेला. And you know, so everyone is a destiny is written कि आप क्या करना चाहते हो.
No doubt. स्पेशली क्या होता है जब कोई मूवी बन जाती है तब और ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है। अगर बॉक्सिंग
बिल्कुल.
की मैरी कॉम बनी तो बॉक्सिंग का एक अलग सा वो आ गया, दंगल बनी, तो दिस वे हॉकी के ऊपर भी मूवी बनी है, बट स्टिल मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इट्स अ नेशनल स्पोर्ट। तो नेशनल स्पोर्ट जितना एक वो करिश्मा एक वो होना चाहिए लोगों के अंदर, वो नहीं
हाँ.
आया है। अब ये हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? व्हाट डू यू थिंक एज अ हॉकी प्लेयर, व्हाट कैन वी डू?
I think the way
Because
ahead is to
one more thing that I see, because the kind of sponsorship or the response this cricket gets or some other sports gets, hockey doesn't
yeah.
still. तो वो हम कैसे कर सकते हैं?
I think the only way ahead is to make sports the compulsory subject in school.
Yeah.
I think that's one thing we need to understand. Let's not concentrate on the pro athletes. जहाँ पर
Yeah.
हम पैसे की बात करें, हमको I think we need to understand as a nation that youth are the future of our country. So we should concentrate on the grassroots. Once we start thinking about the grassroots, उनको हम क्या सुविधा दे सकते हैं? हम किसी के भी बच्चे को बोलेंगे, या 10 साल का बच्चा या 11 साल के बच्चे को कि you come into sport. Next day on the field, he or she will get a parents.
Yeah.
फिर उनके माँ बाप आपको ये सवाल पूछेंगे कि इसमें फ्यूचर क्या है.
जी.
So I think that is one thing we need to understand, that make sports the compulsory subject. He or she has to pick up a sport. And when you talk about sponsorship and everything, very few people know this. Hockey India League was doing fantastically well. It
Yeah.
stopped. It's been 2 years. I think an average Indian hockey player would earn like 6 lakhs for 45 days,
Yeah.
which was, I think, better or good enough, as I had a contract of 35, 40 lakhs, you know. So I think money is coming, everything is there. The only problem is, you know, everything is sorted.
Yeah.
There are very few people know this, like hockey players nowadays, they roam in Range Rover and all.
Yeah.
Mercedes, Range Rover, everyone has that. Every second hockey player has that. And I'm talking about the international players.
Yeah.
But the problem is, I think that one thing I will say, सब कुछ है, but वो marketing level नहीं है. I think हाँ, कि हमको लोगों तक पहुंचाना का जो distance है ना, the gap, we need to cover that. And people like the influencers, Bollywood, celebrities, politicians, you know, sponsors, I think they are they have to play the mediator
Exactly.
and do it. And I think the best platform to do it's on the social media, because social media is the only platform which connects the globe. And you people need to understand that, you know, we should make right use of it. I think if influencer or Bollywood, if they, for example, Amitabh Bachchan tweets saying that, you know, I get Yuvraj Valmiki on KBC,
Yeah.
you know, for example, I think the उनके followers के through, मेरे followers के through, I think उसके follower के through, I will gain a lot of followers.
Yeah.
And a lot of name that people will understand who is Yuvraj Valmiki. So I think that's how it's worked, because in terms of market, in terms of advertisements, in terms of, you know, being on the screen, that
Yeah.
people know you. अब दिन में 10 बार अगर advertisement मेरा चलते रहेगा टीवी में, तो people automatically हाँ वो युवराज आता है टीवी पर.
Yeah.
You know, so that's how it works. So I think money wise everything is there. I think the only way forward is that वो gap जो है ना, from a hockey player to the big screen, I think that politicians or celebrities, Bollywood, they can play a huge role.
Yes, yeah. And at the end of the day, it's a national sport, so it deserves
Uh,
that kind of craze.
See, it's very unfortunate in our country that hockey is the only game which got 8 gold medals in hockey
Exactly.
in Olympics. I think that's huge thing. Though it is like ages back, but then still, it holds the record. So I think it's very unfortunate in our country. I think whoever he or she goes and represent the country has to be the
Yeah,
hero of our country, because
exactly. I think that's the choice of
they are the
player.
ambassadors to our country. They have
Yeah,
to be the ambassadors of our country, because I still remember a few years back when kabaddi, women's kabaddi, when they won the world cup,
yeah,
उनके पास एक वैन नहीं था, या टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइजर के पास उनके पास एक कार नहीं था ताकि उनको होटल तक भेजा जाए. आप
yeah.
इमेजिन नहीं करोगे, आप वो फोटो देखना, यू विल हैव टीयर्स इन योर आईज. The girls were carrying the World Cup in auto rickshaw. So it is very sad. It was, I think, but now things are getting better. Like no one knew what is kabaddi. It was a rural areas game, and now gaon mein khela jata tha. I think now with pro kabaddi league coming in, people know what is kabaddi. There are a lot of money comes in. I know everything. Hockey India League is coming up. There's table tennis league coming up. There's
Yeah.
so I think badminton league is there. So I think we are getting there. The only way forward is, I will say, in 2021 Tokyo Olympics, if India gets to a double-digit medal, people will start knowing a lot of athletes out there.
Yeah. Okay. And also, your brother plays so well.
Yeah, I'm blessed to have a brother like him, and and obviously for a parents, it's much more prouder feeling than me, because there was a moment in 2015 when we both brothers got selected for the Indian team, and because
Yes.
he was making a debut, and I was playing my 50th or something game, and
Yeah.
then we both played together. We both scored in the same match where
Yes.
India won against Poland. So I think that was the biggest moment of our life, that Valmiki brothers
And
will
it's the
say.
proudest moment for your parents.
100%, and also for the state or for the people of
Yeah,
India,
all of
that
us.
कि एक ही families में से मतलब इतने गरीबों के situations के बाद, because I don't want to dramatize the गरीबी part. I think everyone goes through a struggle, but then I think हमारे मेरी लाइफ में भी थी, but हम लोग जो हिसाब से मेहनत करते थे, आई थिंक मैं तो ये हिसाब से मेहनत करता था कि वो जो गरीबी का जो बैरियर है ना, मुझे वो तोड़ना था, एंड just to get something better in my life. So I think वो
Yeah.
बैरियर ब्रेक करने के लिए मैं मेहनत कर रहा था कि I just want to break the barrier of being poor, and I want to get my parents, because my parents have struggled a lot. So in the future मैं उस हिसाब से मेहनत करता था कि कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ऐसा काम कर जाऊं या नाम बनाऊं, that the rest of my parents life, they will live a very luxurious and happy life.
And you did it.
Yeah, okay, I'm still a long way to go. I'm still on it, so let's see.
No, I have seen this earlier as well. You never give credit to yourself. Okay, नहीं. So नहीं अभी बहुत करना है, नहीं. You should. We are so proud of you.
नहीं, the problem is मतलब मैंने पहले से ये सीखा है ना, मुझे किसी ने सिखाया. I think the day I will get satisfied, ये मेरा बहुत strong belief है, और
Yeah.
आई थिंक ये बहुत सारे यंगस्टर्स कभी फ्यूचर में रिलेट कर पाएंगे, अगर जो आगे जाके कुछ अच्छा करेंगे, कि मैं एक ही चीज बोलूंगा कि sorry, never get satisfied with yourself. I think the day you get satisfied ना, you will lose everything. You will lose yourself. And वो जो मेहनत करने का वो जो जरिया होगा ना, वो खत्म हो जाएगा. Because you will think that, okay, I'm the boss. मैंने सब कुछ कर लिया. And though I always say that I'm the best. The reason I say that, this is only because of my own confidence. मैं ये
Yeah.
आज अगर मैंने 99 से हॉकी स्टार्ट किया, आज 2020 है, अगर मैं 21 साल के बाद भी अगर ये नहीं बोलूं that I am the best, so what is the use of working hard for so many years? So I think the self belief for any individual is the most important aspect, that once you believe in something, you're already halfway there. So you I think it's very important to believe in yourself. I think that is the most important thing. And कोई किसी के साथ competition मत करो. I think आपका competition आपके साथ खुद होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
I never compete with anyone. People tell me, people ask, अरे वो आपका जगह लेगा वो. मैंने बोला मेरा जगह ले ही नहीं सकता वो. मैं खुद कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ. I want to get better from Monday to Tuesday, Tuesday to Wednesday. This is how my life works. And that is the only reason that I don't give credit to myself. Of course, when I sit alone, when I'm like down in my life, you know, sometimes as a human, I feel I go to depression, I have the anxiety attacks, you know, hota hai. That is, you know, I start thinking about my personal, professional life. You know what I do? I just open up YouTube or I just open up Google and I start reading my articles. And then
Yeah.
I say, man, you have reached from zero to somewhere in your life. Be proud of it. Then that time I feel I actually pinch myself and I say that, you know, proud. I'm proud of you, Yuvraj. There's always a room for improvement. तो इसीलिए मैं अपने आप को क्रेडिट नहीं देता हूँ. मैं सोचता हूँ कि मैं और कुछ अच्छा सीख सकता हूँ, चाहे वो सीनियर से सीखूं या तो जूनियर से सीखूं.
Okay. Also, who's been your inspiration? Is there anyone in hockey that
I
you
think, see,
follow?
there's only two inspiration, I will say. Obviously, my parents, I mean, the one who supported me, obviously, that is like the biggest inspiration, especially my dad, you know, the biggest inspiration, I will say. He always held his head high and chest up, and, you know, always that face pe wo smile. That isliye main unse, I think that one thing, you know, in our family that is there, even if we are going through the worst of worst phase in our life, we'll always make sure to wear the smile on our face. This is us, you know, this is like us. कि हम लोग कुछ भी हो जाए, हम लोग हंसते रहेंगे, मुस्कुराते रहेंगे. Just, you know, like it's like one life, live it up. And I think in hockey, I will say Dhanraj Pillai for sure, because
Yeah.
he's been a real inspiration to me. He's the one
Splendid.
he supported me a lot. It's been 20 years of knowing him, and always इनके साथ एक ख्वाब था कि वो मुझे कभी coaching करे, but मैंने को इतना, you know, I feel so blessed that I played alongside him. Very
Yeah.
few people know this. मैं उनके साथ खेला हूँ. My first coach, which I'll never forget, which is Mozban Patel Bawa. Last year, he got Dronacharya Award, you know, president के हाथ से. So I think he's the one who actually taught me to hold how to actually hold a hockey stick.
Every profession, in every kind of field, there's always some bitter experiences professionally. Like in previous session, I have spoken like different personal, boxer, model, actor. Everyone had their experiences.
Yeah.
Have you ever had any kind of bitter experience professionally?
100%. I think my life has been a bitter truth, I will say. Uh, I think इसीलिए if I read my bio, I always say that I'm the most successful failure.
Yeah.
So I think it's always been bitter, but but I always try to cover it up with sugar and made sure that I always be happy types. So
Yeah.
I think बहुत सारा incidents है ऐसे. तो एक incident ऐसा है कि मैंने मतलब ये भी बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं कि मैं at least 17 times मैं जूनियर इंडियन कैंप से ड्रॉप हुआ हूँ.
Yes.
मैंने कभी जूनियर इंडिया नहीं खेला है. मैं हमेशा मुझे बुलाते थे, मुझे ड्रॉप कर देते थे, बुलाते थे, ड्रॉप कर देते थे. फिर 2009 में मुझे वापस जूनियर वर्ल्ड कप के टाइम पे मैं टीम में था, एंड देन
Yeah.
टीम में अनाउंस हो गया, एंड उसके बाद में दे ड्रॉप मी ड्यू टू सम रीजन व्हिच इज अननोन टिल डेट. उसके बाद में आई लेफ्ट हॉकी फॉर 6 months. तो मैंने सोचा यार छोड़ दो अभी इसमें, तो मतलब इतना टाइम ड्रॉप हो गया, मैं मेरे को तो सिलेक्ट ही नहीं करते. फिर देन अपने आप को मैंने बैकअप किया कि यार नहीं यार, आई थिंक मेरे में कुछ ना कुछ कमी है. तो फिर आई स्टार्टेड गोइंग टू जर्मनी. फिर वहां से मैं अच्छा खेलने लग गया, फिर सीख के आया. देन इंडिया में आके देन आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड इन द सीनियर इंडियन टीम. सो आई थिंक वो सबसे बेटर एक्सपीरियंस तो पूरा लाइफ ही स्पोर्ट्समैन का ऊपर नीचे ही होता है. इट्स ऑलवेज एंड आई एम लाइक द मोस्ट इंजर्ड एथलीट. मैं हमेशा इंजरी में मेरा लाइफ निकाली है. सो वो भी एक बेटर एक्सपीरियंस रहता ही है
That's
कि
here I connect with you.
हाँ.
Injuries. You
हाँ,
had broken legs, so many stretches.
I think the 36 MRIs, 80 plus
Ah,
stitches, almost 4-5 surgeries, and तो मतलब लगते ही रहता है. I'm like the full टूटा फूटा piece type, defective. But then चलता है. I mean that's sports. Sports में सब, this is part and parcel of life.
yeah. Okay. So yeah, it's a part and it will keep happening. ये होता था
100%.
होता रहेगा हर फील्ड में.
100%.
कहीं ना
100%.
कहीं ऐसे एलिमेंट्स निकलते हैं, they'll just try to put you down.
Exactly. I think this is life is all about, na?
Yeah.
Ki, even if you are down, you need to have that source of motivation or that or josh that you will bounce back. You will prove people wrong. I think वो सबसे बड़ा दुनिया में मजा है ना कि जो
Yeah.
लोगों ने आपको टोका है, आप उनको अगर रॉन्ग प्रूफ करा दोगे ना, उससे बेहतर आपको लाइफ में वो सुकून नहीं मिलेगा. So I feel so
100%.
happy for my people who have always thought that I won't do it, I won't reach there, I won't do this, and it feels so good to prove them wrong. You know, इतना बड़ा सुकून मिलता है that, you know, like, guys, there you go, I proved you wrong. I think वो एक चीज अच्छा है.
Okay, if just I come to your personal life, let's start with any food that you can't give up.
For
Food that you can't give up.
food that I can't give up, I think मम्मी के हाथ की चाय और दाल I can't give up.
Chai, oh God, yeah, there I agree. कितना भी दुनिया का सारा इधर उधर हो जाए, even I can't give up on tea.
हाँ, तो आई थिंक ये ऑनेस्टली ये बात है, जो भी लोग मुंबई में रहते हैं और जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं, मेरे मम्मी के हाथ की चाय आई थिंक इस दुनिया में कोई ऐसा नहीं बना सकता है. यू वोंट बिलीव, इवन माय एक्टर फ्रेंड्स, इवन इफ
हाँ
दे कम टू मरीन ड्राइव रात में घूमने के लिए, इवन इफ इट्स 1
हाँ.
o'clock 2 o'clock, they will call me and tell, please wake up your mom and we need tea. You remember Jay, Bhanushali and Mai, they came at 1:30 to have tea.
Oh goodness.
So I think वो एक चीज है. और दाल तो मतलब पागल हो जाओगे आप, इतना अच्छा बना. So I think that two things I cannot give up on, my dal and chai.
Even I can fly to Mumbai to have that tea.
100%, you'll love it. You'll love it. You'll remember me for the rest of your life. Yeah.
Okay, is you be single or dating someone?
Or very much single.
चल झूठे.
100%, 100%. I don't lie.
Okay, okay. Okay, your biggest regret.
I don't regret things in my life which made me happy at one point. So there's no regret.
Fair enough. If a biopic ever made on you, who do you think would do justice to your role or put into the role? Any character?
I think Vicky Kaushal and Rajkumar Rao, either one of them. And of
you
course, my all-time
resemble,
favorite,
you
Shah
guys
Rukh Khan.
resemble, you and Vicky Kaushal, you guys resemble. You know, so what's future plan? आगे का क्या plan है?
आगे के कुछ प्लान नहीं है. आगे की यही प्लान है कि मुंबई हॉकी को जिंदा रखें और जितने भी गरीब बच्चे हैं, स्ट्रीट किड्स हैं, शेल्टर के बच्चे हैं, कि उनको मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये मेरा ख्वाब है और which will happen very soon, that I want to start up my own academy and just to target the underprivileged children, give them the basic education और hockey, ताकि उनको sports खिलाएं, not because they want to go and represent the country, because I am sure that not everyone can go and play for the country, but at least for the rest of their life they will live a very disciplined and healthy life and ये सब गलत चीजों से दूर रहेंगे. So that is my future plan, that to keep Mumbai hockey alive and make sure that most of the kids start playing hockey.
Yeah.
This
Okay.
is my...
One tip that you want to give to aspiring hockey players?
I think just keep working hard and more than the destination, just enjoy the journey. And your journey should always consist of your hard work, your passion, dedication, sacrifices. Because if you are true to that,
Yeah.
I am very much sure that something big it will lead to. And it is very important to the youngsters to understand one thing: don't plan your set up your goals. Just keep doing it. Just keep doing it. And above all that, whatever you do, if it's an engineering, doctor, sports, hockey, cricket, football, before going to bed, अगर आप आँख बंद करके ये सोचो, are you happy doing it? If yes, then continue doing it. If not, then give up the second day. Don't go for practice next day. I think it's very important that whatever you do in your life, you should be happy about it.
Exactly.
And I think happiness has to be the key. And as I said, always respect your parents, respect your seniors, and however big you become in your life, always be grounded and always be kind to people.
Yeah.
And spread love, not hatredism. Life is very short. जितना हो सके लोगों को प्यार दो, लोगों को खुशियां बांटो. I think this is the only motivation I can say or tips I can give to any youngster.
Okay, so काफी ऐसा होता है, काफी लोग कोई भी स्पोर्ट जस्ट हॉकी इसलिए खेलना छोड़ देते हैं. कई बार फैमिली सपोर्ट नहीं करती है, पेरेंट्स गेट वेरी रिजिड. उनका भी लॉजिकल बनता है बिकॉज देयर इज नो गारंटी एज यू सेड एज वेल. तो वो छोड़ देते हैं. तो क्या ऐसे कंडीशन में द किड्स शुड गो अगेंस्ट देयर पेरेंट्स और जस्ट टू play what they want, I mean to follow their passion, or they should just leave?
आई थिंक वो पेरेंट्स के अगेंस्ट नहीं जाना चाहिए, पेरेंट्स बच्चों को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए. आई थिंक लेट्स पुट इट दिस वे. So rather than kid going to against the parents, I think parents need to understand आज के टाइम पे कि the youth आज का जो है ना वो बहुत होशियार है एंड बहुत दिमाग है उनमें, चाहे वो लड़का या लड़की है. आई थिंक वो लोग जो हासिल कर सकते हम भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. और इस दौर में तो 100% वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड जो लड़कियां कर सकती है वो लड़के नहीं कर सकते. मैंने हमेशा ये बात मैं कहता हूँ लाइफ में दैट मतलब इतने सब चीजें चलती है हमारे देश में ना, मतलब हर दूसरे दिन ऐसे ऐसे इंसिडेंट सुनने मिलते हैं दैट इट शॉक्स यू, इट इट ट्रिगर्स यू सो बैडली. एंड आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द यंगस्टर्स टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इवन इफ यू आर अ गाय, अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, you need to respect women, you need to respect girls. And आज के टाइम में when you talk about sports, you see Saina Nehwal, Sania Mirza, PV Sindhu, Duty Chand, you name them, Deepa Malik, जो उन्होंने करके दिखाया. आई थिंक वो लड़कों ने इतने मेडल्स नहीं लाए जितने लड़कियों ने लाए. सो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द पेरेंट्स टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट सपोर्ट. ऐसा जब लड़की पैदा हुई तो ये मत सोचो कि शी कैन डू एनीथिंग, बिकॉज वो जो कर सकती है आई थिंक हम कोई नहीं कर सकते. मैंने लास्ट टाइम एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि we never we as a gentleman, we fail to understand that, I mean, I personally, obviously I respect, because I don't have a sister. It's been we just have like 4 brothers, and I am born in a family that, till date, it may sound very quickie for you, but then it's been 30. I'm 30 years old, but till date, every second day, my mother tells me the same thing, that Babu, you need to respect women. You need to, it should be like that. So this is how hum log ko, we are groomed, we are born and brought up, and that's what I say. Education starts from home, not from school or something. And ये जो सब जो cases करते हैं, ये जो बंदे लोग करते हैं, I think it's so sad in our country. So it's very important that we need to understand that, as a guy, ki don't point fingers at them. Just look up to yourself, look up to the mirror and talk about, talk to yourself that आप क्या नजर से देख रही हो उस इंसान को. So I think that's very important. मैंने last एक interview में कहा था कि we as a man, as a gentleman, will fail to understand that what the women go through, like periods, the pain they go through during pregnancy, during their abortions, or there are so many things which happens, but we always think that वो एज अ लड़की अपने लिए सरनेम बदल देती है, सब कुछ करती है, मतलब देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स व्हिच हैपन, बट देन इट्स ओके. आई मीन एज अ ह्यूमन वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट जो लड़के कर सकते हैं उससे ज्यादा लड़कियां भी कर सकती है हमारे कंट्री में.
Exactly, that's true.
Yeah.
Okay, this suddenly came to my mind. Okay, सबकी ना कुछ आदत होती है. जैसे even when I was a kid, we had a very हमारी भी बहुत subtle सी upbringing थी. तो सबकी ना कुछ आदत होती है जो वो बड़े होने के बाद भी नहीं छोड़ते, बड़े होंगे कितने भी एटमॉस्फेयर बदल जाए, कुछ भी रहन सहन बदल जाए. जैसे मेरी आदत है कि मेरी बोल में पीने की आदत है चीजों को. अगर आप मुझे कुछ भी दे दोगे, एनी काइंड ऑफ ड्रिंक, रेड बुल, एनीथिंग, मेरी आदत होगी घर में बैठ के मैं उसको बोल में डाल के ही पीऊंगी. तो इज देयर एनी काइंड ऑफ आदत विद यू?
मेरी 2 आदत है, आई विल से. मैंने बचपन से लेके आज तक नाखून खाना नहीं छोड़े, बिकॉज आई कैन शो यू. So there's only pedicure for me, no manicure, because I manicure, I only do it. That one habit. Even if I'm sitting in front of the best of best people around me, I'll be like, okay, bolo kya karna hai. So I think that is one habit I will say. And the second habit, as you said, मुझे भी घर पे वो आदत है कि कटोरी में चाय पीने की.
हाँ, कटोरी में चाय वाय, कभी कभी से ठीक है दोस्तों के साथ जिनके साथ
मतलब कोई अगर ऐसे कोई, अभी हमारे घर पे भी कोई आ गए कोच वो, तो मुझे ही पता है कि वो कैसे उतरती है गले से, वो मग में या कप में. but I think I prefer having in कटोरी. I think वो देसी पना है, and which I am proud of, and I feel good.
अभी क्या वेरी सिंपल, वो छूटता भी नहीं है.
हाँ, इसलिए.
Okay, thank you so much, Yuvraj. It was so lovely chatting with you.
Thank you,
So
thank you,
inspiring.
thank you so very much.
One of the best person I have seen in terms of journey. आपके achievements एक तरफ पर जो आपका journey है, hats off to that.
Thank you so very much. It was lovely talking to you.
Same here.